Takulandiranitsoni ku channel ya Amuna Miso AMTV Malawi. Tinasowa atu pakati pa magazi mangodabwa kuti Amuna Miso atulukiraso mu studio. Ndipo mu studio muno ndili ndi artist ya ife chobwesa ma artist mu studio maife. Artist amene zina lake ndi Simpli-Cit. Simpli-Cit.
Yeah, my G.
Takulandira mu studio ma.
One time. I feel welcome indeed, bro.
Yeah, sure say.
Yes,
Kalo
sir.
masuka.
Yes, sir.
So lano iwe unasowa pakati pa. Tikambe nkhani monga iwe artist tikambe nkhani za hip hop kapena wabwera ndi chani kweni mu studio.
Whatever the people need, actually. The missing puzzle is here in the booth.
All right, okay. Can I give you the beat so people should feel you?
No problem, man. Yeah.
All right.
Me there. Let's see what we got out here.
Okay.
Just came in the afternoon on AMTV. I rap this shit with no CV, but I can do it all day until you sleep. Nigga, I'm curvy like the heat. Oh, damn. But I'm hopping, nigga. I'm the best, you hopping. Damn, you been waiting for me to come here and smash records. Nah, man, it ain't no girlfriend.
Okay, Simpli-Cit, can you tell us more about your projects? Maga 2024. You wabweresa zotani anthu ayembekezere zotani?
I might say in 2024, I haven't released much, but I've worked much. Yeah, I know there's April on the calendar, but I've worked much. So the issue comes in where you have to impress every time you're in the booth, you know what I mean? Yeah, I know I can't be the best out there because I adopted hip-hop as well. So I can't really say that I made hip-hop, but I am hip-hop, bro.
All right.
Yes, sir. So in 2024, I think I'm working on a series of albums. It's called Private Fame. Right now, we're about to release Private Fame 1 on 20th. So exclusively, people have listened to it. Some are buying. Yeah, just to feed it, just to get the feedback, you know. Yeah, so that's what we're working on. After that, I'll give them an extended playlist to the album so that they also feel me in another way, right?
All right.
Yeah, that's what we're doing in 2024.
Okay, so where can people find your album?
My album,
Private Fame.
Private Fame is gonna be uploaded in almost all streaming platforms because I'm using DistroKid. So you know what DistroKid does, right?
Yeah.
That's the biggest distributor. It ships music to almost all streaming platforms.
Yeah, exactly.
So, yeah, people are mostly on Spotify these days.
Yeah.
Definitely, you get me on Spotify, man.
How about on YouTube?
Yeah, YouTube too. And music might be on YouTube, Amazon, Spotify. Yeah, the platforms, you know, that's so big actually. Just mind you the spelling, simply, then middle stroke, then CIT.
All right, okay. Can we go deep about your name?
Yeah.
How did you with your name to be Simpli-Cit?
Simpli-Cit.
Yeah.
All right. Initially in rapper, I was told I was called J Hood. Yeah, maybe a lot of people know J Hood out there. J Hood was one of those underground artists that I was so deep on that issue. So it happened that D Block also signed a minor artist, that's J Hood, same spelling as mine. Yeah. So when I was creating my profile on Malawi Music, now it was the late Kenny Clips. Yeah, I told me that, you know what? We still got time here. People won't understand. If you blow up as J Hood and this J Hood blows up, people think as if you're the one who copied the name. But I started when I was in secondary and all that. So I didn't have to take my time and then find the name again. That was hard. But yeah, so to make it more simple, I just had to be Simpli-Cit. Yeah, so I just had to. J Hood was too hard. I also changed the way I used to rap when I changed my name because that's what made me be here. Maybe without that, I wouldn't be here, you know what I mean? You never know, bro. Yeah, sure. So the issue is, I look very simple in the eyes, but hey, guys, I am not that, man. Yeah, it's like ironic. The name Simpli-Cit is ironic. I am not simple as you wish, man. Or as you see in your eyes. Cool, that.
Okay,
Yeah.
I've seen in your album, this current project, you have worked with the likes of Third Eye. Yeah,
Third Eye, two songs in the album, and Gazelle. Only 2 artists have been featured in my album, 14-song album.
I heard that the guy is no longer a rapper. He resigned as a rapper. So how did you connected with him?
Third Eye. If Third Eye likes you, he'll be there for you, bro.
All right.
Nothing else. But if you like Third Eye, that's another issue.
All right.
You need to get your pocket ready. You know what I mean? Yeah. So if Third Eye likes you, he's gonna be there for you. That's how simple. That guy is not tough. He's not whatever people say out there, guys. I've been closer to Third Eye. He's a big brother, bro. He doesn't starve artists. He will jump on your song as long as you're good, even just for free.
That's nice.
He doesn't do things for free. You should get my point right there. So jumping on 2 songs in my album, man, that's so great, bro. Hey, so the Third Eye, get your flowers, bro. Sure.
All right. Initially, were you a gospel rapper, or you just tend to this as a regular rap?
Me, I've never been a gospel rapper. Of course, I've had time, maybe choirs in church and all that. You know, there's a point where you're a boy, you have to listen to whatever. What I want to say is, sometimes for you to be you, just be you. If you look at the people, the comments, whatever they say, bro, you're gonna get delays.
Yeah.
And it's hard to be on Amuna Miso TV. You understand? Being here, people look at it as if it's a simple thing, but honestly speaking, bro. Yeah, man, we podcasting right
Yeah,
here.
exactly.
Who knew we would be doing that issue, fam? Yeah. Peace out, right?
Yeah, sure.
Cool.
Yeah, sure. But guys, that kind of mwebo ndiri Simpli-Cit mu studio mwefe. That onera nutenga umene. Welcome back to AMTV. Ndipo muli ndine Amuna Miso Africaso. Ghetto Umbrella Show representing mu studio muno pajamene nakuzana kuti ndili ndi Simpli-Cit.
Yeah.
Kumala kunoko kumakonda beef, ngoli hip hop is beef.
Yeah.
Have you ever been in a field with a Malawian artist?
Somebody else trying to disrespect?
Yeah.
Decent and respect?
Yeah.
That means that person respects you, bro. You can't diss you and then in the word, same word being respecting it, bro. Nah, that nigga likes you, bro. So the issue is, hate is some sort of love that hasn't found a way to express itself logically. Like, this is love, because it's just random. So it's hate. Maybe some need more attention, they need you in their tracks, you don't care because of the way they do their issue. But me, I haven't got my time to get involved in beef. It's the people now who try to, I won't mention names because it's not
okay, so Benny.
Amuna Miso. Let them.
Okay, cool.
What I'm here for is not that. Yeah. But the issue now becomes an issue when you step on my feet. I've never responded to beef, but I feel like when I'm angry, I deliver more. Or if somebody else is trying to challenge me in a song and he makes me angry, something wrong might happen in that song. Definitely.
Okay. You mean cat?
Nah, I meant slaughter, bro. Crazy, that guy's gonna get slaughtered, man.
Let's get back to private fame.
Yeah.
Muri ma tracks angari and my producers amene canal and over imagine that devils many.
Hey, I think Malawi and Cream, I think. Was there are 14 songs, 3 are collabos, but 2 artists. I wrote all the songs except the featured artists. I had to write their own verses and all that. So there's Daredevils, I think on 2 songs. There's Trappy Beats. I worked with Jab Roll Up. Way too savage. Oh, way too savage. Mad. That's my brother, man. He's very mad. And you know, I like recording with Stitch Ray. He understands what I mean. I can record three times without him getting bored, because yeah, you know what I mean? Yeah, straight. So Stitch Ray has been there for me since 2013. I can say since 2013. Recorded a couple of songs, Gasai, First Zero, Yeah, so the guy, I think we've been in a channel together. He knows me what I want. Bro, put me this effect on this, he'll exactly do that. When I go to another producer, definitely we're gonna take time or chances. The initial stages we took with Stitch Frey,
Yeah.
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 Yeah, so right now I think that's my producer.
Alright.
Currently I'm also working with this beats ain't kidding, the Steve Back. Of course I featured him on one of the songs, maybe Usain Bolt. Some of them, maybe some of you, yeah, maybe you've already listened to it. Yeah, it's a crazy and fire song. A video coming through, man. Watch out.
All right, okay. Behind this album, do you have the managers or promoters behind this album?
And it's crazy that you. My manager is a guy that I started working with the very same day. You know, since then we've been best friends. You know, now the guy had to notice me. You are going nowhere, bro. I'll manage this shit. Because after me releasing Malawi's Most Wanted, there was a certain record label in the USA, Stone City Records. It was interested in working with me, like the future projects thereafter. And then what happened is, yeah, maybe that I'll explain later on during the issue. Yeah, but now my manager is Aubrey Likangale.
All right, good.
So Aubrey's been a good manager to me. Even without his presence, I still feel his presence, you know. But I say, I was listening to this. How did you do this? Oh, maybe next time let's try it in this way. So he's some kind of a friend. You understand a friend better than somebody who can just come in with money, flash gadgets, and all that.
Yeah.
I don't go for that, man. I go for the heart. You understand, bro?
All right, so
Sure.
if people want to page you on Facebook,
Yeah.
which name can they search on Facebook to find you?
My username is Dreffwells. My name is Wilfred, so I just had to rearrange Wilfred to make Dreffwells. But rap name is Simpli-Cit. So simply middle stroke CIT then MW is Simpli-Cit Malawi. That's I represent Malawi, so I had to put an MW on it.
Exactly.
Sure, bro.
Okay, ndo basi pili nage. This analogy ku mafuso na my personal questions. So I have to
please.
give you a pick.
Give me that toothbrush, bro.
All right.
Sure. Okay. Your crap queued up quick whenever my rhyme do speak out of my leap, passing through your burdens as if there's a door. I never practice how to think. Simplicity with a deep rhyme here to dare the public that I'll never sing. Too many questions when I give a rapper no room for improvement, and the lessons not teach him. Down, 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 down. Okay, I can tell that lessons, right? Yeah. Lessons I teach them reflects my movement, the way I deep, how I currently do it like an addict of the true rap movement. Made up was prove it, man. Woo. Yeah, I'm sipping on damn King Robert. Oh, that means I'ma need Queen Robert. Damn. It is what it is, man. Just a piece of that, bro. It shouldn't get much. Yes, sir.
Okay, I say.
Yeah.
Ndakambako zuri zitatu. So pano ndifuse my personal questions zapo po
Yeah, don't just get mad, right?
Okay. Iwe kuimba, unamba kuimba chifukwa chani? Chifukwa chake pali zinthu zitatu magayiza. Maka mayo.
Yeah.
Ena aje mapepi. Ena power. Ena basi
Fame and all that.
Fame, yeah. Iwe umeimba unamba kuimba chifukwa chani?
I didn't know that I can rap, you know. As I told you initially, I was in the choirs and all that. So there was a day at school, a friend knew how to make beats and mix vocals and all that. So he told me there's a studio in Madisi. He said Madisi though. Yeah. Let's go, bro. You know, why are you taking me to the studio? You know what I mean? Like, all right, man, let's go. Let me push you. Since you're a friend, I shouldn't let you down and all that. Now what happened is he started making beats and I started you know, I was upset, like, this nigga knows, what is he doing? It sounds like a beat now. Yeah. So, another time, and I'm now as an ISO producer. So what happened is, the guy now played the beat, and I'm going by my verse, and he's like, oh, my hook on that. Then I was like, I say I can try to put a hook on that ish, you know what I mean? So I put the hook, as everybody went crazy. So what's in the hook even, right? So and it's not making sense even because I was referring to the songs I've already heard. I wasn't creative on that first song, you know what I mean? So That's how I started music. I wasn't really inspired by some like to be famous. I've never thought of being famous.
Nah,
Or maybe the way I handle my stuff, some other people would tell you that Simpli-Cit doesn't opt for fame first. The legacy, because the legacy will live on.
yeah,
Fame is just a short span, man.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
Okay, do you smoke weed?
me smoking weed.
Yeah.
I've tried that in secondary school, but I think it wasn't sitting well with me, man. Hey, honestly. But I drink. You know, I'm going by tribe, so I drink. Yeah, man. As I told you, I need Queen Robert because I'm drinking King Robert. Yeah. So that's the issue. I do drink.
Yeah, okay.
Sure.
Nice. Baby, are you married?
Now I'm not married, but I was at most married.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a daughter. You know.
Nah, nice.
Yeah, that one I can't skip because, yeah, she makes me feel like maybe firstborn son. She's the mother at the same time, friend and daughter. You're not friend. So yeah, I have a daughter,
Okay.
but I'm not married.
Okay. Music industry, a lot of artists face ups and downs.
Yes.
What are your challenges in Malawi music industry?
My challenges is that I only face the ups. I don't see any downs.
Yeah, downs.
You know what? I'm gonna miss it.
Yeah.
When you take negative energy, bring it in front of me.
Yeah.
I'll turn it to be positive.
Yeah, nice.
Say there's gonna be a fan, or I'm gonna work with that energy.
Yeah, all right.
You understand?
Okay.
Big up.
Okay. Before we wind up, anything to say to your friends?
Yeah. It's sort of my friends. I got a lot on them. Hey, I say my artist and being my just now. I just don't want to use them
Yeah.
for fame.
Yeah,
I'm in my own path and I'm doing whatever is in my path.
Yeah.
So I can just say I'm with Chris in the studio, though you can't see him because you don't have the third eye. It's me who has the third eye in the album, so you don't have the third eye. Yeah, so there's Chris. Chris is an R&B artist.
Yeah, all right.
He's my good friend, my colleague.
Nice.
Shout out to Sipo, one of my colleagues too. But in the music industry, I can say, hey, so to everybody. There's T-Back, Stata, Kumbolani, there's Bass Cube, there's Scram. A lot of good artists out there are my friends, man. Should I talk about the big ones?
Yeah.
No. That's now me seeking fame. Yeah, sure, bro. And so to everybody who likes me, man. I like you too, man. That's why we've been collaborating, being together. So the support you give me, I can say that don't starve any artists. Actually, support the younger artists who are having a passion and all that. Yeah, you can see that somebody might grow into a big tree, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And you can see that this will grow into a flower and wither later on.
Yeah, sure.
One time for everybody who likes me, man.
Okay, can you drop your handles, social handles again?
Yeah. My Twitter handle is Simpli-Cit100. I mean, Instagram is Simpli-Cit100. Twitter as well, yeah. Twitter as well is Simpli-Cit100. Facebook, Simpli-Cit MW, as I said earlier. LinkedIn, yeah, and I'm doing LinkedIn.
Yeah, exactly.
That's the name. If you search that name, probably it's gonna bring you the songs, the handles, and you're gonna follow me. I'm gonna follow back.
Yeah, right.
That's if you're necessary, because sometimes people just want to follow you to comment whatever they want, and then I don't like those type of people. It's better having two fans, but yeah, real fans.
Alright.
On time.
Who is your favorite rapper in Malawi and outside?
I'm inspired by a lot, but in Malawi, I really love Third Eye.
Yeah.
Third Eye can just switch me on. You know, people can just switch you on. He comes here, hey yo, I'm hungry. If I'm hungry, there's no food in the studio. I can eat my shirt. What about muntu jo? Wamba kugamba zinto zoti I say, nigga, I'ma definitely jump on that
Yeah.
too. After you, it's me, bro.
Hey.
Yeah, straight. So, that sort of Third Eye, man, has been there, bro. Honestly. Tikagamba International, there. I've been Nas fan, bro.
Yeah,
Sinigagamba is a Lil Wayne. For Lil Wayne is on there, I've been a favorite fan, real Lil Wayne. But
yeah.
musically, I think I love the way Nas do it.
Yeah.
And that's the way I'm doing it, man.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Ifeyo raseru ndinakunyadira ndinakuuza kuti asera bwera tichire staru ziwiri staru
Straight
bwera
up.
ku studio ya Amuna Miso
Straight
and
up.
ifeyo tanyadira next
Yeah.
time tikuzowaso kuti sozabweraso kamaza khala kuti somuna kudropa so
Private
something.
fame too or
Yeah,
something.
yeah, exactly.
That make me take a shot. As Ngoni, I have to
Okay,
prove it, bro.
okay,
Prove
okay.
the point, bro. Yeah. It's been also a nice afternoon, bro.
Yeah, sure.
Though it's AM TV, as I say.
Yeah.
But I came in the afternoon, bro. Cool that, cool that.
That's how we can create Amuna Miss the podcast.
Peace out, man.
Peace.
Yes, sir.
Pakamera panali Mchiko.
Yakum.